Good morning, children, and welcome back. Today, we are going to continue with the same chapter that we have started in our last video for EVS 1. That is chapter number 25 Community Health and Hygiene. Just taking a short review what we have studied in our last video related to this chapter. We have studied about what is community health, how we can preserve that. If we individually can look after our health and hygiene, then being a part of society, it's our responsibility to look that even society is neat and clean. What are the threats to the community and how we can resolve these threats? Possible remedial measures can be conducted to reduce it. Now, today we're going to continue with the same chapter and we're going to see some more points that are remaining in this chapter. So let's see first of all which points we're going to cover in this part of the video. So today in this video we're going to see about the two bad addictions that a person is involved in. Sometimes a situation makes a person to form into these bad addicts. So which are they? First of all, it is tobacco consumption, and we're going to even see what are its ill effects, not only individually but it also affects the family as well. Even we are going to see the another bad addict, that is alcoholism. Drugs, tobacco and alcohol. When we use these things in our life, definitely it is going to invite to a death of a person, and because of that completely the family also collapse. So we're going to see these 2 points in detail and its ill effects on the person and its family. So let's begin with the explanation. Beginning with the first addiction is tobacco consumption. We have heard and we have seen in our surrounding many people consuming tobacco. There are variety of products in tobacco such as gutkhas, cigarettes, bidis and so on. Each of these are very harmful to health. We have seen on television, even we have heard about this and read in newspaper as well, that consuming such type of things can be injurious to health. So people after reading also find it easier to consume because they form as a part of their habit. So when people consume such type of tobacco, they form it as a habit and can be consumed in different ways. So all these are very harmful to the health. At first, a person may not be involved in it, but due to the pressure of friend circle, peer group, or a friend, or maybe a relatives having parties and all that, people are insisted to consume it. And if they are first using it as a trial purpose, slowly and gradually it forms their habit. First, they will have it casually, sometimes once or twice in a week. Slowly, it forms it as a habit, and once it is been in a habit, then the person becomes addictive to that particular thing. But this may lead to addiction, and ultimately, some after certain period of time, a person may be in a position of urge. That means a person may require this thing, and without that he or she may not live also. So a person when becomes addicted to such things, they cannot leave these habits easily. So what happens? They cannot leave this habit and they are completely dependent on such things. People develop it as a habit, and if they do not consume such things, then they become restless. They cannot focus on their work properly. So what is the easier method? They find it that before doing any kind of work, they use the tobacco and they put it in the mouth for certain period of time, and then they do the work. Their mentality becomes such that when they eat, then they can focus on their work easily, and with the focus on their work, they can do the work within no period of time. So what is their mentality? That to consume tobacco and to do the work, and if they don't get it, they become restless. So when their habit reaches to this stage, that is the person cannot live without consuming tobacco. So this is called what? This is called a habit, and this in return is called as an addiction. So people get addicted to tobacco, and once they get addicted, They spit here and there on the street, making what street dirtier. And with this spitting, what happens? Germs may spread in the air. So people who are not consuming this, when they come in contact with these germs, they can get affected easily. So already it is a bad addiction. People are consuming it. Along with that, they are spreading the germs in the surrounding where other people are living, and they are not consuming it. So what is there? Ultimately, they are affecting the health of others also. Others' lives are also on the risk. Now, people find it easier to consume tobacco, and they form it as a habit in their life. They become addicted to that. But before beginning with this addiction, have they ever thought that what are the ill effects of it? Maybe in present they may not suffer, but in future definitely they are going to suffer with these ill effects. So let's see what are the ill effects of tobacco addiction. People, when forming the habit to continually chew this tobacco in their mouth, it is staying for a longer period of time. And what happens? Slowly and gradually, ulcers starts developing in the mouth. You can see in this slide, it is like a boil in the mouth. Sometimes it is whitish pink in color. So when these ulcers develop into a bigger wounds, means they will not heal after a month or two or maybe 3 or 4 months. They may develop into a bigger wound. And what will happen? Once when it is developed into a bigger wound, it turns into tumors. These bigger wounds develop into tumors. A person may suffer with a illness that cannot be curable certain times. Lot of time is required for these treatments. Along with the time, money is also spent. Family suffers a lot. If the wounds do not heal after a certain period of time, then the person may need to suffer with serious problems, and sometimes it can lead to mouth cancer also. Tobacco, when consumed, enters into the digestive organs, and people sometimes have complaint related to these organs. That means it is going to affect the digestive organs as well. We have seen its side effects in mouth as ulcers are developed, and it can lead to mouth cancer as well. So the constant presence of tobacco in the digestive organs can cause cancer of any of these organs, and the person need to take a treatment related to that. Sometimes the treatment is time consuming and costly also. Along with that, the treatment is very painful. Even after taking the treatment, sometimes it's not sure whether the illness is going to get cured or not, and person may need to lose the life. Moving on to the next bad addiction, that is alcoholism. A person who is drinking alcohol continuously has an adverse effect on the body. An addiction to this habit is called as alcoholism. When a person is consuming alcohol, a person may not be in a condition to understand the things. That means either the person is drowsy, and sometimes he or she is confused. And even more than that, sometimes a person loses its control over the body, and because of that, many accidents may occur. Alcoholism even causes diseases such as liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. That means when a person is consuming alcohol, a person need to suffer with different illnesses. Alcoholism and alcoholism as well as consuming tobacco. These both are very bad addictions, and its side effects can be seen. We have seen few side effects. These are just few side effects. Other than that, many more side effects are there when a person consumes these bad things, and they are the very bad habit. So what is the best solution? A best solution is that we need to stay away from these bad addictions, and we should not neglect our health because it is utmost important. If you are healthy, you can focus on your work, and once when you focus on your work, you can Provide each and every help to your family what is required, because your family is dependent on you. So it's very important that we should not neglect our health. Furthermore, the condition of a person who is consuming alcohol becomes pathetic, becomes very poor. And along with this, the person who is addicted to such bad habits, not only he suffers or she suffers, but along with him, the whole family suffers. And even we are not aware about the expenses that have been required to cure any of the problems which is caused when a person is consuming such things. So the medical treatment could be very expensive, and besides this, not only an individual is suffering but complete family is suffering with that person. It is time consuming, expensive, and it completely lost the happiness of family. That means no understanding, continuous conflicts, fights, and unhappiness spreads in the family. So family gets deprived of happiness. That affects not only on the elder people but also on the children. So we need to be aware that an addict destroys the entire family. So it is better that we should not form these bad habits as a part of addiction, because its consequences could be very dangerous. The drugs, tobacco, and consuming alcohol is inviting to death, an unwanted death. When a person forms a habit of consuming such bad things, it affects the health completely. And addiction to such things can eventually kills a person. So we should be aware about such consequences. And what we should do, we should completely restrict ourselves that we will not use such addictive bad things in our life. Some are forcing, some are having the habit to force others to form this habit, but we should be aware about its consequences, and we should not get motivated with such bad habits. We should control ourselves that we are not going to use these things in our life. That means the bad addictions in our life. That is going to spoil your life, your career, and along with you, your family. So, on no account, what you should do, you should not get pressurized from any of them, and you should be having a strict discipline in your life that not only now but in future also I am not going to form a bad habit of consuming such addictive things. My dear children, sometimes what it happens, children going to colleges, and what they want to showcase that they are much confident and they are very active. So they have been forced by their friends, their peer group, and what in that pressurized atmosphere a person starts consuming such things, starts smoking, eating tobaccos, taking drugs and all that. You might have seen on television, in the advertisements or in movies as well, they are showing. So what it happens, its side effects are seen in future, not in the present. And with this, a person sometimes, if not getting things, involves in a criminal activity. Through this, what happens, completely the career is been spoiled. Sometimes what happens in a friendship, in the flow of friendship, the person starts consuming such things such as tobaccos or taking drugs, smoking, drinking alcohol or something. So what is the best solution at that time? That a person should seek a help of a counselor or a doctor. And with this help of a counselor, a person can get rid of these bad habits. And the best option is one should eat regularly, healthy and nourished diet, and exercise. Involve yourself in sporting activities, which will help you for your proper growth and development. So one should be firm to avoid any kind of addiction and involve in your life positivity by involving in different sporting activities. Not only sporting activities, but whatever you pursue your hobby, you can do that. This is an activity given in your textbook on page number 136. Try this. Now we all are having certain habits, correct? Some habits are mentioned below, and we need to divide these habits into good habits, bad habits, and pointless habits. So, as per your thinking, what is good, what is bad, and what is pointless? Now, I have marked as per my opinion. You can think and you can write as per your choice. Now, the first one is informing your family members where you are going and what time you are going to come back. Definitely, it is a good habit so that family members are aware about your timing when you're going in and when you're going to come back. Telling the truth, again, it is a good habit. Fiddling with one's hair, a pencil, etc., all the time. That means putting pencil in your hairs and turning it. Some are having the habit when they're talking or when they're thinking, they do. So that is a bad habit. Biting one's nails, very, very bad habit because it is dangerous to your health. Your stomach may start paining. So, again, the next one is making the school bag ready the night before. Definitely, it is a good habit so that whatever timetable is given to you, as per the timetable, you are keeping your books in your bag. And then the next day, you are not having an excuse in the school that, Miss, I forgot my book. So, it is a good habit. Then, frequently forgetting one's umbrella, raincoat, pencil, pen, etc., and borrowing things from friends every time, it is a pointless habit because your friends will come to know that every day you are having the same habit and some may not give also now. So it is better to check our things before going anywhere, and accordingly we can use our personal belongings. Moving on to the next point, last, it is putting a limit on TV time and sticking to it. Very, very important. It is a good habit if you follow a timetable for watching the TV also. As per your choice, you can watch the programs that you like. And after that, you can put it off and do your study or do some activities whichever you like so, such as your hobbies or any sporting activity. So, it is also a good habit. So, what is the positive effect of that? Your eyes are not going to get weak and your eyesight may be good. So my dear children, always remember, learn to say no. That means for doing the household work or helping your mummy in doing the work, you should not say no. But I am telling you to say no firmly in order to avoid any bad habits. If anybody is saying you or forcing you to involve in the bad habits, you should understand that it is not going to help us, rather than it is going to put it in a difficulty. So, we should form a habit to say no. Avoid the friend circle of ones who are having these bad habits. You are well matured enough to understand what is good or what is bad for you. And if you find it any difficulty, then your parents are your best mentor to guide. Your teachers will help you to guide you in a proper way. So, seek their help. Take a friend's help who guide you in a proper direction, and never involve yourself in a bad habit. My dear children, in this part of the video, we have covered about the bad addictions or the bad habits that are going to affect our health. We have studied about tobacco, consuming of drugs, or drinking alcohol, smoking. These are all bad habits, and once when one is going to get addicted to it, definitely it is going to affect the health of a person, and along with that person, family is also going to get affected. Here we end up with this chapter, and we have completed the book as well. So thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.